Good morning and welcome to my channel. First, we'll look at the VIX today. I think it dropped to the low from yesterday. So let's say it's bowed back. And let's take a screenshot. So my routine is take a screenshot of the VIX in the morning every day. So when you track, the VIX, and then we want to also take a look at the VIX in comparison to the skew. So let's see, the skew really jumped from yesterday to 150.01, really high. So normally, by definition or by the statistics, the skew and the VIX is negative correlate. So there are negative correlation between them. So basically, if the VIX go up, then the skew go down, and if skew go down, and if skew go up, then the VIX will go down. And one more indicator we want to take a look is the VIX 3-month and VIX 1 month. So you see that if it above 1.2, right now the reading right now is 1.2258. It's indicate that it's likely gonna be a sell-off coming soon. So the last time we had a VIX up, 1.23 in May. I think it's the second high record right there. So let's take a screenshot of this also. All right. And now let's take a look at the take a look at the smart money diversion between the QQQ and the SBARI. So we see that the QQQ make the low 145 at 145 in the morning, and SPY make the new low at 30 minutes after the midnight. So that means the SPY make the new low before the QQQ, which is unusual. Normally the QQQ is the one who make the new low first, and then the SPY, but in this case SPY go first and then it bow back. So let's see how it play out today, because we want to compare this. So we want to see if the reversal gonna take place. It go back, go up again, or is it going to continue to go down? So at that moment we don't know. We have to wait for more information. But this as one of the indicator that the point of entry that we want to take a look in the pre-market analysis. Okay, now take a look at the, we're going to trade a SPY today. So we take a look at the SPY monthly. Let's see. So monthly. Here's our SPY monthly, right? June. So pretty much June is it opened good. It opened up close. But based on statistics, you know, for June, which is 6 in this case, number 6 is 48%, 39% up. So let's see how it play out. That's just the month, right? And now let's take a look at the weekly. Okay, I want to track this number real quick. I want to track the pre-market volume right there for the SPY. So 725,107. So that's the pre-market volume right there. I built the label, read this, but it's not accurate at all. It's always, you know, less than this number. We're still working on it. So, but I have other, you know, priorities. So I just not finished the work yet. I will show you later what the indicator I have. You will see that in one of the. I can point out later. Okay, hold on. Let's take a look at the 1 minute chart, so we can see how it brings in the 1 minute chart right here. So what do we see? We want to see if the first candle gonna be up close or down close. You see that right here, the buy side liquidity is taken. The buy side liquidity is taken, and we haven't seen the sell side liquidity taken yet. So let's see. But basically, it's going to be a range in here, and this is one of the support level that we draw. This one is a follow up from the on the M15, which is 15 minutes. Let's see if it's a support level right there. And just a reminder, next week going to be the CBI week. So normally on Thursday and Friday, they're going to make a big move to set up the CBI next week. So the last CBI, on Thursday and Friday, it moved up very quick, very big move up. So let's see how it's gonna play out this Thursday and this Friday. Because we want to play with the CBI week, so we have to pay attention to the week before how it's moving. Let's take a look at the 5 minutes. So we can see if there's a order block right here. So here we are right here, the order block right here, to see if, and we can see that a gap. So to see if the order block and value gap retest setup form right here, it looks like that. So this is the open at 9, and this open at 9:30. We're talking about the Eastern time zone. So everything right here, we're talking about the Eastern time. The one we set up in the thing called Swim is Eastern time. However, on the system, the computer that we are trading is in the Central time. So when we see the sell side look buy side quickly taken, then we expect this to go down. But if it failed to go down, then it will go up. So let's see. You see on the 5 minutes, you see the value gap right, fair value gap right here. So we can treat this as a order block and value gap setup. So it's retest right there. So we can enter the short right here. I mean the stop loss I'm gonna put right there. We can enter a short right here. But you know, I prefer to enter a short on the up close candle. So we're able late right here. Let's see if we can bow back here, give us second chance to enter a short. How about look at the long setup? You see this the order block right here and a big fellow go up. So this is also a long setup for right here. This will be an entry right there. So basically an order block right here, fellow gap and retest right there. So we can enter a long position retest. Wow. I think the long position right here will play out well because you see the huge displacement to the upside right there. So let's see. Let's look at a 15 minutes time frame to see if it gives us the idea where the price gonna go, or where the draw on the liquidity. So 15 minutes. On the 15 minute, we still see that it nothing, not any setup that we are looking for. So we try looking for a setup order block failure gap, retest, or break a fair value gap retest. So our first right here is order block. Remember earlier we say order block right here. So this is our second time to answer the short right there, when we see the huge displacement up. So we can learn, right? So if we enter right here, that would be awesome trade right here, a short 38 retest. Then what will be our target? Our target gonna be over 930. That's a quick trade right there. So here's our order block, right? Up low. So the order block don't have to be a single candle, but it can be a series of the up low candle order block right there, and you see that the breakdown from the order block, order gap. So this is order block, fair value gap, and then a retest. We can enter at a retest. They give it 2 times the entry. One right here, 34, and then here is 38. And our target is very quick right here, gonna be so we can see that the trade we could have made right here. This can be order block, fair value gap, long setup, top right there. So we have another entry short for us right here, are gonna be By the way, we look at the 1 minute time frame right here. Look at the 15 minutes. It look, more bullish. You see right here, the 15 minutes. So you can see this is an order block at 8, and then you see the fair value gap right here. So we trick is that a order block fair value gap retest. So you can enter a long position on the retest right here. And our stop loss gonna be right here. And our target maybe the new week opening up. So for the M15 it look bullish. So we are entry here if we go long. Yeah, entry here if we want to go long. And our target gonna be new week opening up there. You see this order block, it not break, it not close behind, it not violate. Yes. It's our order block right there. It's a bullish order block. Bullish order block is based on the Dow close candle. And you see test 1, test 2, coming down. Wow. That means that our original analysis is maybe correct. It's going down. So if we want to short and we make this opportunity, two opportunity to go short from this order block. This order block is a bearish order block. I think I put the wrong one right here. It should be a short setup, not long setup. So our entry is going to be there, right? Entry here. Entry right there. Oh, we enter this right here. 2 times the entry. Wow, beautiful. If we can, guys, we short right here. Wow, look at that. So it break this spot right here. Yeah. So basically right here you can see, you can call it double top. But basically right here you see it's order block. And fair value gap right here, and then retest twice, and then start going down. Okay, so our analysis, the first analysis is correct because we see that the buy side liquidity is taken. Then it tried to test more right here, and then start come down. Now it take the sell side liquidity from this candle 8.15 right there. So if we enter right here, our stop loss gonna be maybe 5 cents above this buy side liquidity. and let's see how much we risk and reward right there. So if we enter here for 2709 and we put our target gonna be this level as well right here, so 26, so we have roughly $1 move right there, right? 24, yeah, $27.06. It would our target right about roughly $1. So our goal is to take $1 per trade, and I think we reach right here. How much we reach? 23, and right here is 20. So we reach about 30 cents and get about 90 cents, 1 to 3 to 1 ratio right there. That's a nice trade right there for us. Yeah, if we put, take a sell liquidity. You see sell liquidity. Now the sell liquidity is chicken. Right, buy sell liquidity chicken, and now sell liquidity chicken. Let's see what the next move the price action gonna make. Okay, look at the 15-minute time frame. We remember, we analysis. We see this order block, Federal gap. Then it's just a retest, right? Retest and go up, but it not. So it's going down. So that means that we have to tweak this whole thing right here at the order block for it to go down. And now we tweak this one at a bearish, breaker. So to see if it gives opportunity for it to go back to test the breaker right here, so we can take a short entry for a setup right there. In order to go here, we make sure that the next candle gonna be create a fair value gap, and next candle we will retest that fair value gap or the bearish breaker, so we can take a short position. But earlier we say that they give it a bullish signal or indicator, but why we don't see the bearish one, the bearish move, yeah. When you can look at here, you can tell it's a bearish move, right? Look at here, you see this order block, right? You see the fair value gap right here. So it's a bearish right there. Wow. We mix that. So then here will be our entry short right there. See that? So right here is our order block, right? Right here is fair value gap. So our setup is right there. So you have order block, fair value gap. Then this is a retest. The retest, can go to, peer through the fair value gap and up to the order block. As long as it's not close, above the order block, then it's a valid setup for it right there. So it's, in this case, it's a valid, short setup right there. So if we are doing right, then we're gonna put our entry right here and put, the stop loss 10 cents above this high. Then we have a perfect trade short right there. And here's our target for a high time frame point of interest right here. let's say it follow, go down. Look at the, go back to the M1 1 minute time frame again. Wow, that's a gap right here. Why is that? And we say earlier, this could react at our, man, right here is second chance to go to an entry and short, because this one is a bearish breaker right there, and it's have a fair value gap, overlap there. It's a very high probability short setup right here. Bearish breaker, fair value gap, retest. So that means we take an entry on the retest right here. Amazing. So much opportunity for us. So you see all this huge candle displacement, it cut forward. We thought it's gonna be go up, right? Reversal go up, but it's not. It's a setup for sell. So the smart money jumping and sell right there. So our purpose try to spot a sell that the smart money gonna take position, and we follow them. Wow, beautiful. If we can, take advantage of this setup right here, and it play out that our initial, analysis is, correct. We correct that it's gonna be go down, and this is just a retest. It's not a reversal at all. It just retest the bearish order block before going down. Wow, it's beautiful trade for us. Like I say, it's like 1 to 3 ratio reward trade opportunity right there. You risk about 30 cents right here, and you're gonna get about $1 right here. So it's 1 to 3 ratio right there. Beautiful trade. So the time right now is 9:55. So let's see, so it's about 25 minutes, right? 25 minutes. $25 already passed, so let's see. Let's see if reversal from here, or it's gonna be continue to go down. So let's expand this bearish breaker. If we break this bearish breaker, then we can assume that it's gonna be a reversal. So we see that the indicator right here tells us it's going to close. Right here is the first hour of trading, right, from 9 to 10. That's the 1 hour candle right there. It's going to close. It's going to close right there. So let's see. Yeah. Yeah, let's see. A little bit tricky right here to see where the price is gonna go or where the draw on liquidity. I mean, I look at the 1 hour time frame. I mean, 1 hour time frame at yeah. I mean, 1 hour time frame, I don't see where. I mean, look like bullish at first, but at the same time, you know, basically we're not so convincible what direction you're gonna take right now. We're not so sure. It's like 50%, so it's not good. So we don't want to engage when we see that it's 50%. So basically we want to wait for the setup. So right now we see this one is break, right? The bearish break, guys, is break. In other words, that means what time is 10? Other word is the bearish thesis on M1 is invalidate. So let's see. I mean, on the 1 minute, you can see the reason to be bullish. I will tell you right here, right? Here's the 1 hour. So right here is Thursday, right? Is the Wednesday and Tuesday and Monday. So basically it check out the social liquidity of those 3 days. You see, check it out. And you can look at this at an order block. Right, this order block and this retest of that order block. And it's not violate order block. So it's gonna go up. So it's a bullish right there. Scenario right there, you can see. So by looking at the high time frame can give us a better indicator, indication where the draw on liquidity gonna take place, especially where the price gonna go into. So it break this, breaker, the barrier breaker. You see, with a good, displacement right there, so it's gonna go up. But let's see if it break this order block, the barrier order block. If so, you see, as long as it above this support level, then we have reason to believe that it's a good bullish. So this one will be at the low of the day for today, Thursday. Let denote this so we know. See, we can say it's 9, right? 09:55. Okay. Wow. You see? Oh man. So this one we do bottom. The position, the alignment is bottom. So yeah, right here. And also remember right here in this hour 10 and 11. We will track down the fair value gap. The fair value gap in this case is right here. So fair value gap, the upside. So it's retest the fair value gap. And going up again. So we try to do the first hour, trading hour every day. We want to, study price action just the first hour, and to see, what we learn, and so that's our assignment. So it will be possible for us to enter short entry right here also. And the target gonna be, the first target gonna be open, 9:30 right there. So we have a 30 more minute, right? Here, 10:30, we will know the high of the day or the low of the day. So right now, the range of the high and the low of the day is big. Let's see how the DR play out for today. Right. So what time is this one? 10:06. So this one gonna be the high of the day for now, right? And we want it to be on the top. So 10:06 is the high of the day, and 9:55 is low of the day. So you remember, you recall, so that recall, look at the 15-minute time frame. We see that on Tuesday, it kind of range bound, right? The range day, and then on Wednesday, it's going down, right? So for Thursday, we're gonna make the assumption it's gonna be a range day. So far we see it's range, right? Range day. So let's see, a range day. It looks like gonna be a range day, right? Because you don't know where it's gonna go. Let's see. So we believe it's gonna be range days. If it range days, then when it go, you can short them when it go to the close to the higher of the day, and long when it goes to the lower of the day. And the higher of the day is pretty much in line with the DR setup. Let's see. You don't want to enter a short right here because it's close to the overnight 30. That would be your target. It's too close. You don't want that. But let's assume that right here is this one can trick at a bullet breaker, and it create displacement, and then it retest. That's it. It go down here, retest this one. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. See if we give it any clue where the market gonna go to. Wow, it really spring up now. So it break this order flow. Let's see if this order flow. Yeah, so likely this one gonna be the low of the day. So this one now is the high of the day. 10, 15, right? Let's fix this jump. It's 10, 15. So the same right here, we can see that the buy side liquidity taken. So if we want to take the short position, that I guess rule of engagement for us right there. So in order to go short, you have to make sure that the buy side liquidity is taken. And in this case, it did. And you see this order block right here at 10:15 order block. I make a new high of the day, and then it's move away from that order block. So that's a good signal right there. Let's see, but at the same time you see the fair value gap right here. So you can treat this one is a bullish breaker and it's fair value gap. So breaker, fair value gap, retest right here. So you can enter a long position right here. However, the target, what the target gonna be for you or for us if we want to take a so the target for gonna be a on up on here is gonna be a new wick opening gap, right? If we look at the 15 minutes, you see that the new wick opening up right here. So if you take a long position right here, here's your close, the most close target right there is new wick opening up. Let's see. Wow. But if you want to short it, then it's buy sell liquidity chicken. That's the requirement right there. It's auto block. It move away that's auto block. Retest that auto block 1, 2, 3 times. Retest this auto block. However, you don't see the fair value gap, so it's not according to our setup. Our setup, require only, always have a fair value gap after the order block or the breaker. That will give us a high probability setup right there. So if we have to take a trade right here, then this is our entry right here, 10.18, or right here, 10.20. Or if you take a long position, then you may enter right here because it's the breaker right here, bullish breaker, and it fell like that. So we should check the long entry because that make our requirement for a setup, right? Breaker, fatal gap, retest. So put your long entry right here, and the target will be the new wick opening gap up there on the 15-minute time frame right here, right? You see that right here, our target right there. So we're entering right here, long entry here, and our target right here. So 27 and 28. It's about $1 right there, so you can reach about 25 cents and get $1. So it's 1.4 reach to recall ratio right there. Yeah, you can enter here 19 or 22. Enter it there. Let's see, my friend. Oh man, I think we also missed this trade. Now look back, you see. Okay, I thought if we take this trade, we can get $1 right here, and here the second trade we're gonna take. You know what? You see the auto block right here, and then the sell side liquidity taken, but it's not close below this order block. That's a bullish signal right there. And then it create a fair value gap and it retest that fair value gap right there. So they here is going to be a beautiful long setup right there. Order block, fair value gap, retest. So that our long entry there. Oh, I don't know how we missed this. Man, sell side liquidity taken. And then order block, fair value gap. That's a very high probability setup right there. Oh, for some reason we missed that long trade right there. Never mind, it's a learning experience for us, right? That's the nature of trading in the real time, because your mind is, it had to catch up with all the light movement. So sometimes it's missing. So that's why we need to do this exercise. So the more we do exercise of this, the better we're gonna get into recognize our setup right here. So let me draw this setup into the picture that will help us to visualize this. Beautiful setup right here. And we meet this. So we only have 4 more minutes, so let me finish draw this one and we can conclude our live price action analysis right here. So I want to make it transparent so it looks better. Oh, beautiful trade right here, a long setup. You see fair value gap, order block, sell side liquidity taken. Wow, that's a high probability right there. Ah, beautiful setup. Okay, so order block, right? Sell side liquidity taken, fair value gap, retest fair value gaps. Oh, beautiful trade, my friend. So then what is our target? Target will be buy side liquidity right here. We take the buy side our target. And a beautiful trade right there. Oh, so what the entry for this one? 10, exactly 10. So let's take a screenshot of this beautiful trade right here. So we can learn here, right? So we call this order block, fair value gap. That's our setup right there. And in this case is a long setup, entry time. So we lock the trade. Entry time is 10, right? And exit time for us is gonna be what the exit time for us right here. Let me see. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh man, only 6 minute trade. Beautiful trade right there. 10:06. It's a short and quick, scarf right there. right, we just take the screenshot of that. So that will conclude our analysis first hour for today, right? So we can take 2 trades. First is short one, set up right here, order block, failure gap right here, displacement, and retest. 1, 2, 3 retest right there. And our target will be this level right here, or this level right here. And then we have another trade with a long setup right here. This is beautiful. This setup is better than this setup because it's what? It's very clear, right? You have, auto block, and right after block, sell setup will be taken at the time that align, right? You remember a time 10 minutes after the hour or before the hour. That's a good take a setup right there, and you enter as 10. Your target, conservatively you can put your target right here, but if not, you just trail your stop loss and let it hit another high time frame point of entry up here. All right, I think that's it for today, and thank you for watching my channel, and see you guys next time. Bye bye for now.